Hello everyone, how are we doing? It's Crypto Insight UK here, bringing you back another YouTube video. I'm just going to keep it nice and short today. We're just going to do a bit of TA, going to talk through what happened yesterday. And yeah, I'm going to get straight into it. Actually, now's the perfect time. Guys, I do have an XRP exit plan video on YouTube. Go and check that out if you're wondering when I'm taking profits in the market. I've had a few people messaging me recently. Obviously, I'm not taking profits yet, but that video will talk you through it. It's pretty obvious which one it is. It's the one that says XRP, take profit targets or something along those lines. And also now's a good time to obviously refer you guys to the cryptotaxcalculator.io. I have a partnership with them. You get 20% off if you use the code CryptoInsightUK20. There's a link in the bio or description to this video to that. If you're struggling with your crypto taxes or want to know what's going on with them, it works in loads of jurisdictions. Basically, everyone that watches my videos will be within inside the jurisdictions that will work. So let's just get straight into it anyway. So yesterday we had a breakout of this descending trend line on Bitcoin, which was great. Actually, it was the day before we had a breakout, and then we had the back test yesterday. Confirmed that as downward support, pushed up, broke through the 702 Fibonacci retracement, had the daily candle close above that. Today we're having a bit of a retracement, looking to come below slightly. I'd like to see the daily candle close above the 702, but we are finding support levels now on this higher high that we've set. There's not really much of an argument for a bear market at this point. Now we've broken this recent high here. There's not really too much bears can say. I'm pretty bullish on the market. The only thing that worries me is lack of volume, but I do think it's mainly institutions coming through and buying this. We saw a $1.8 billion market buy from one person yesterday on the on the exchanges. So that's one thing that's pushed the price. So let's just go into the hourly so I can show you this back test of this support level, which I think is pretty important. So I had this breakout yesterday, and then we came back the day before yesterday, and we came back and back tested perfectly this descending trend line, and then after that, we basically used it as rocket fuel, fueled up and really pushed up out of this zone. This the buy order here. Sorry, the buy order was about here. Sorry, for the $1.8 billion. The previous high here about the $53,000 mark. So yeah, now we've confirmed that that's a breakout. We broke through the 702. As I said, had the daily close above there. We are coming back down a little bit today, but it's to be expected because we were massively overbought on the RSI. We've come down to a nice level now on the hourly. I think on the 4 hourly we're still quite high up. You're still overbought here on the hourly, so we are still looking to consolidate in and around this area. Just gives us some space and some fuel to take another leg up. Don't want to see a massive drop, but it's good to find some support levels here. We're nearly overbought on the daily. Again, as I said, coming down, just looking to find some support in and around here, consolidate here. We could trend sideways for a few days at this level, that'd be fine, and then we go for another breakout and push up towards these previous highs here, and really just targeting that all-time high level. We've got the 786, which is this level here, the 57,000 to break through. Once we're above that, we're plain sailing towards all-time highs, in my opinion, guys. And remember, it is just my opinion, but that's why you're here, I guess. We'll have a quick look at the total altcoin market cap, and then we'll get into XRP. Total, this is the total crypto market cap in general, sorry. Again, we're up above the 786. We had a daily candle close above that yesterday. Just go on to the 4 hourly. Just got a daily candle close above that yesterday. We're flirting with it now. It's a nice bull flag that we're creating here, and we are going to look to push on further than that. Again, with the altcoin market cap, we are above the 786. We've come down and tested that support. As you can see, boom, wicked into it, tested the support. Now we're pushing up, and this is the all-time high that we're targeting now. Obviously, we've got to break above this level here first, which is where we found some resistance, which is $1.3 trillion. And then we're probably looking up towards a 1.397, and then the all-time high at 1.418. And then once we're above that, guys, it is plain sailing for me. I think we are going to set some higher highs. I think there's definitely an argument to say that we come up towards the 4 trillion. That's one of my estimations that I've seen from the start, and I know that people that you might follow, like the blockchain backer, who's a brilliant technical analyst, thinks that we're going to top out about 1.8, 1.9 for the altcoin market cap. I am more towards the 4 trillion, but I do respect everything that he says, and he's a great TA person. I've just want to see what happens in terms of rotation of the market. Have a little look into XRP. For me, as I said, if you watched my YouTube video yesterday, I can't remember if it was yesterday or the day before, like, I'm super bullish on this. This is XRP on the weekly here. Okay, I'm going to show you what I see. We've got this volume, and then a decrease in volume to a spike, and then a decrease in volume. We've had such decreases in volume, and then we spike, and it gets more volatile, and the volume's high, and then we break out. So what we're looking for now, we're actually still at quite a high point. We're at $1.07, and the volume's almost all-time lows. If you look at where that is now compared to where it has been in the past, we're almost at all-time lows for volume. This indicates that at some point volume is going to come through, and I think that's going to push us out onto a big breakout. That's my personal prediction, not financial advice. With a lot of space on the RSI, with a lot of space on the RSI weekly. If we have a look on the monthly, a lot of space on the RSI monthly too. So everything to me is just waiting for a breakout, guys. The hourly, space on the RSI, 4 hourly, space on the RSI, 4 hourly, just about to cross bullish with the 50-day coming above the 200-day. And I actually think this fractal is pretty similar to something we've seen before, and I'm going to take you down the daily. I didn't mean to press weekly there. So I think this fractal is pretty similar to what we've seen before. And if I was going to compare it, I'd compare this to where we are here. So we've had this big push up, then a consolidation, then a second push to try and break out. We set a lower high, didn't quite make it, and then we've come down and we've slowly upwards consolidated, and then we had the breakout. So what have we had here? So we've had the breakout, then a consolidation, and then a lower high that we didn't set a higher high. Then we've come down, consolidation again, and now we're slowly consolidating sideways and upwards. So it's basically what's happened here. Boom, 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 boom. I'll show you it with drawn with a pen. So breakout, come down, consolidated, lower high, come down again, consolidation for a slow grind up until we break out, and then this what we've just done now, had a breakout, consolidation from the lower high, we've come down for consolidation again, and we're slowly going to grind up, and I think until we touch this mark, and then I think we're going to look for a breakout. So that's what I basically think is going to happen with XRP, and all my price targets, as I said, are in and my take profit targets are in my other YouTube video. I am full transparency, I'm fully expecting XRP to reach out towards the top of this bull cycle 1360s, where I'm looking at for my Fibonacci retracement to be hit, and that's basically where my take profit target finishes. Well, it doesn't, it goes on further than that, but that's just where I show you in the video. At that point, I've taken about between 45 and 55% of my XRP bag. People say that, why would you do that? And I say, well, that money's going to change my life, and that's what's important about crypto. If you've got a potential to change your life with the gains that you've made, definitely take it. I don't care what anyone says. If it could go higher or whatever. But if you can change your life with crypto gains, change your life. Like what? I don't know what you're thinking if you're not going to do that. But anyway, guys, hope you appreciate the video. I definitely do believe in crypto for the future, by the way. Absolutely believe in the tech. It's not me being a pessimistic about the market or anything like that. But I believe that your life comes first in any investment. Investments are investments for a reason. If you can change your life with them, change your life. So hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Hopefully see you on the next one. Peace up, A-Town, and down.